What is foot reflexology? Foot reflexology is a practice that involves applying pressure to specific points on the feet which correspond to different organs and systems in the body, aiming to promote healing and balance. This holistic approach is based on the belief that our feet mirror the entire body, allowing skilled reflexologists to alleviate stress and improve overall well-being through targeted techniques. In a typical session, the reflexologist carefully assesses the feet, identifying tension areas that may indicate imbalances within the body's systems, and applies tailored pressure to facilitate relief. Many individuals report feeling a sense of deep relaxation and rejuvenation after a session, with some even exploring reflexology through workshops to share the benefits with others. Reflexology not only encourages relaxation but also facilitates conversations about holistic health, as clients often share their experiences and newfound insights into their own well-being. Embracing the natural world, some practitioners take reflexology outside, allowing clients to connect with nature while enjoying the therapeutic benefits of the treatment. Community events provide an opportunity for people to learn about reflexology, dispelling myths while showcasing its potential to enhance health and wellness. Many individuals discover that incorporating reflexology into their personal care routines not only fosters deeper connections with loved ones, but also encourages a holistic approach to health. The experience of reflexology often transcends mere treatment. It cultivates joy and connection, making it a perfect gift for friends and family looking to embark on their own healing journeys. Many seek out retreats specifically focused on reflexology, where they can immerse themselves in learning and self-discovery while benefiting from the serene environment. The practice of reflexology can easily become a personal ritual where individuals take time each day to nurture themselves, reflecting on their experiences and the benefits they've gained. Incorporating reflexology into daily life encourages mindfulness, leading individuals to explore deeper aspects of their health and well-being while creating their own personal sanctuary. Conversations about reflexology often blossom into deeper discussions about health, fostering community and support as individuals share their journeys toward wellness. Workshops held in nature amplify the benefits of reflexology, allowing participants to connect not only with the practice but also with the healing energies of their surroundings. Practicing reflexology in unique settings like by the beach adds an extraordinary element to the experience, merging the tranquility of nature with the restorative power of touch. The ambiance of a wellness studio plays a crucial role in enhancing the reflexology experience, setting the stage for deep relaxation and healing. Clients often leave reflexology sessions with renewed energy and a sense of well-being, leading to shared experiences that inspire others to explore this healing practice. Workshop settings foster connections and learning, where individuals not only gain practical skills but also build relationships that enrich their reflexology journeys. Embracing reflexology at home invites couples and families to bond over the experience, transforming self-care into a shared ritual that enhances their relationships. Learning reflexology in a serene garden setting allows groups of friends to enjoy both the benefits of the practice and the joy of companionship, nurturing their connections. In a soothing clinic environment, clients gain insights into their bodies through detailed explanations, deepening their understanding of reflexology's intricate benefits. Community events centered around reflexology create opportunities for individuals to explore the practice, fostering a sense of unity and shared wellness among participants. Retreats held in stunning natural settings provide an immersive experience, allowing participants to fully embrace the healing aspects of reflexology amidst the beauty of nature. Integrating reflexology into family life fosters creativity and care, where children can learn the art of touch and nurturing through playful interactions with their parents. The tranquil ambiance of a spa enhances every reflexology treatment, encouraging clients to fully relax as they anticipate the restorative journey ahead. Sharing personal stories in a supportive group setting creates a sense of camaraderie, allowing individuals to bond over their journeys and discoveries in reflexology. Engaging workshops enrich the learning experience as participants enthusiastically absorb knowledge and practice techniques under the guidance of experienced professionals. Experiencing reflexology in a serene garden merges healing with nature, allowing clients to feel rejuvenated while connecting with the tranquil surroundings. In educational settings, the art of reflexology is brought to life as enthusiastic students dive into hands-on learning and master their skills in a supportive environment. Athomi reflexology sessions strengthen bonds between partners, allowing them to nurture each other's well-being in a relaxed and personal setting. Health fairs serve as dynamic platforms for showcasing reflexology, where curious attendees eagerly explore its benefits and experience the practice firsthand. Incorporating reflexology into workplace wellness programs fosters a healthier, more relaxed environment, enabling employees to manage stress and enhance productivity. A nighttime spa experience invites clients to unwind deeply as they immerse themselves in soothing reflexology that eases both body and mind. Beachside reflexology sessions create a unique relaxation experience combining the benefits of touch therapy with the calming effects of the ocean. Classes designed for seniors empower participants to embrace reflexology, promoting wellness and connection among peers in a support.
If you enjoy our content, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and activate the notification bell to not miss any video. Thanks.